Is this working? My name is Michael Wolf and I've just finished my hair transplant here at Elite. If you want to know more about my journey, come on, come follow me.
That's where we're going.
Thank you very much. Hello, how you doing? Hello, thank you.
So I hope you enjoy it here.
Yeah, me too, yeah, me too. It looks very nice, it looks very nice, yeah.
We hope so. This is our team.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing? Yeah. I'm very well, thank you very much, thank you. Oh, that's good. So am I just waiting for Dr Balwi now, yeah?
Yeah, so in a few we are going to the doctor.
Ooh.
Yes.
And then he say, you're going to have perfect hair now. Well, no, in 12 months, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my father and my brother are both like Bruce Willis. They're bicked, like shaved all the way through. So I don't want to be like that. My confidence comes with hair. Dr. Balwi, how you doing? Nice to meet you too. Thank you. I just want my hairline to be back and to be thicker on top. I mean, but maybe not from this one surgery, maybe from the two surgeries. So.
See here the graft. This is one of multi-grafts.
Yeah.
And this single graft, this multi-graft, two grafts together. This is single graft, multi-graft, single graft. But
yeah, the one there with two coming out, or three.
All of them immediately is multi-grafts.
Yeah, of course, yeah. I thought he was writing his name on my head.
Be very, very appear, very seen.
Okay.
So I will X this area. Okay?
Okay. So this is Dr Balwi. We've just gone through all of the details about my hair transplant. We went through everything with a fine tooth comb. Now I had a few questions for him, like what to expect. I do realise I have to be here for 2 different sessions because that's what I personally expected, because my hair receding, my hair thing is quite considerable. So everything we went through the pen and saw my hairs very, very closely, worked out what the best donor area was. Everything was cool. I signed on the dotted line and I'm very happy to go and get my transplant. So thank you very much, Dr Balwi. Thank you very much. Okay.
I hope we will give you the best result for you, don't worry.
You heard it here first. See you in a bit. I'll send this to my wife and she will cry. So that's it. I actually look like my dad and my brother. Tom, I look like you now. See you in a bit, I hope. I can imagine lots of Turkish mothers being like, don't do this, please, please.
Imagine.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah, I think my brother,
Yeah.
he said if everything goes well for me, he wants to come.
I think when he see your result, he will come.
Yeah. There's about 5 people so far that have said if mine goes well, they'll come over. So that's good. And that's just personal, So
Everything is very good.
it's great, yeah, brilliant. Thank
Do
you.
you have any questions?
No, everything's been answered by everyone as I've gone along, so it's good. Look like an Eggman. I look like Dr Robotnik. So it's actually time, it's here, it's the main event. So the grafts that were taken and extracted earlier on are now being implanted. There were 3,700 of them, and it's probably going to take around about 3 hours for those to go in. The whole process has been explained perfectly to me as we've gone on, and there's been no pain. I haven't even wanted to watch a movie or read a book, because I've just been sitting here and just thinking about my lovely luscious hair, and actually I've been thinking about work as well, to be honest. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So it's the morning after the night before here at the hotel, and to be fair, I got about maybe 6.5, 7 hours sleep in like 2 different berths. I'll talk to you about that later, but I ordered myself a nice breakfast. To be fair, this is pretty big. I've got a whole basket of bread here, some salad, cheese, some dried fruit, which I don't think I'll be eating. Might give that to birds if there are any birds in Istanbul. Egg, some jam, olives, honeycomb, some butter, and some orange juice. I'm going to absolutely destroy this. I'm going to phone my wife. It looks like, you know the Goonies, the film?
Yes.
It looked like Sloth from the... Hey you guys!
Because now you have no.
But it's good having the guarantee. That's good.
Yeah.
Up to 70%, so that's pretty cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then keep sending the pictures. So George
Yeah.
is see how.
I'll keep in contact with him. Yeah.
Yes.
Hello, Dr Balwi. I'm very well, thank you. Yeah. Very well indeed.
All the graft is inside.
Okay.
You have some bloods here, is not problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After washing, it will be very clean. There is no problem. Yeah. And I see your donor area also is very good. No problem.
Okay.
Perfect.
You have a little bit swollen.
Yes.
You can make massage like this.
Yeah.
I don't press very much.
Yeah. I've tried to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but as you can press and make it like V from up and behind.
Okay.
If you push it down, this liquid will go under your
Yeah.
eyes.
Yeah.
Push up and behind, up and behind. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Simple as that.
Perfect.
Hey, thank you
Nice
so
to
much.
meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Take care. Hopefully I'll see you in 12 months'
tomorrow. Are
time.
you here tomorrow? Or?
Yeah, I'm here for a wash tomorrow.
Okay, I'll
yeah.
see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
again.
Okay. Great.
Okay.
Thank you. It's fine. I've done lots of research.
So from this room here, you can see where we're staying over there with the Mujia. But still, they come and pick us up in a car and bring us over here, so you don't have to do any walking.
Oh my god! We've got burger, we've got toasty, and we've got cheesecake. Now I've got to wait 40 minutes. Yeah, good plasma and bad plasma, and then red cells, yeah. Boom. I'm alive.
Congratulations.
Thank you, cheers.